Now let's move along with some scribing. Now this kit is really nice because once you've done your sanding, actual scribing, right, there is not many at all panel lines that actually go over your join lines, which is a nice benefit. There is one just here which we will take care of. Now I know that this is supposed to be a nice, quick, fun, easy build, and we've done a bunch of filling and sanding, but I do think that, you know, we want to still have something satisfactory at the end. You know, you don't want big gaps or join lines on this. It's kind of like the basic foundations of modeling, and even though you want this to be quick and easy, I feel like it's something we still need to do. And scribing, you know, you could probably get away with it a little bit here and there, but I just want to show you a bit of basic, because we are doing a bit of a basic video here now. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just actually taking out my Tamiya masking tape, right? You could go off and you could buy templates and stuff, but I do find that it's a little tricky. You need a bit of experience with when it comes to scribing. So what we're going to do is I'm going to actually make something that is going to make this a little bit easier. So a bit of Tamiya masking tape, I'm going to cut into this, right, just a bit, right, just to make this tape a little bit thicker. You could go off if you really want to and buy your own sort of thick tape, but this is all I've got in the workshop, so why not? So I'm just kind of cutting into this, so as you know, when I peel this away, we're going to have several layers of Tamiya masking tape, right? And then what I'm going to do is just cut that off. I could probably do with a new blade. That's feeling very not sharp, right? And because we've got a nice thick piece of Tamiya masking tape now, what we can do is actually tape this over our recessed panel line, so we can just see our recessed panel line just there. I want to sort of get one end nicely down first, and then all I'm going to do is just pull in one end, right? So point A, point B, pull it, and we just sort of wrap it over that recessed panel line, right? And what this is basically going to do is going to give us a nice guide, so as we don't actually have to go off and hold the template, as well as trying to hold the model, as well as trying to hold the P cutter, or trying to do it hands-free. This way we've now got a nice guide, so I can just get out my P cutter by Tamiya, and I can start off where I can feel, right? You'll be able to feel it with the P cutter, the start of our recessed panel line, and then all we have to do is just drag this, or shall we say not drag it, but actually rotate the model, right? The way I'm holding it, hopefully you can see this, right? The way I'm holding it, I'm sort of holding it really nice and steady, and it's really the model that I'm dragging, sorry, not dragging, rotating, right? So the P cutter, I'm not really actually moving the P cutter. This is kind of like the basic foundations of scribing, is just to actually rotate the model. And with that thicker tape there, it's guiding the actual P cutter, so I'm not slipping or anything like that, right? And there we go. That's sort of like a nice easy introduction to doing your own bit of scribing, a nice easy way of doing it, and we've got that nicely now rescribed.